What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to this channel. Today we had an amazing drop to the downside, and we're gonna do a recap of how I lose $200 today. So let's begin. So going into today, chat. So what I was looking at is this gap from the day. I was looking at this gap from opening and in here. So nag-open tayo with a gap from yesterday close and opening. Then essentially I was looking for a good reaction from this. And then we did have it, but I was not in here pre-market. Um, I was here pretty much 15 minutes before the open. I did not really was able to anticipate this full downside, but going into today, my bias was clear. It is to fill this gap of yesterday's price action from regular trading hour, which is this one. This is my bias going into today. And if you click your trading view dito sa lower right, electronic and regular trading hour. So kahapon kasi nag-open tayo, we open higher, and then I am anticipating a draw back into this. And what we had today is similar scenario. We open up in here with a gap and we just traded lower. Yesterday, we opened and we traded higher. Now, the opposite happened on the downside. And essentially, I was looking to short this market and I was hoping to see some kind of sweep in this level and then an SMT potentially with ES. But we did not have it. All the 1 minute FVG were getting respected pretty hard, creating this high, high, low, low, high. And pretty much I was not able to join into the downside. And when I saw this big candle, this is one of my POI. My target is the 0.5 and also the 1 hour gap from this level. This was the target. At minimum, I was anticipating a reaction from this level. So when I saw this price action trading very aggressively, I want to fade this move, buy below this low. But the issue is when I place my buy in here, we did not fill the next candle. We fill it the third candle, which is not good. Usually, when you see a big drop or big pump and you want to fade it, it should get filled the moment next candle open, then trade lower, and then give you a good reaction. But essentially, I took a long here and I got stopped for 12 points, as you can see. Long at 76 below this level, and my stop is at 87. I was expecting a quick reaction and a move back up, maybe up to this level, above this level. And I traded one mini, and as you can see, this is the execution, and this is my PNL for the day. I'm down $200, still eligible for a payout. We'll see if tomorrow I'm going to flip one day or continue trading it. It depends, but I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. But still waiting for payout across my 20 accounts, 19 accounts. And yeah, I did not able to take this long. I was trying to get in longs in here, but essentially we just have a slow grind to the upside, slow grind retracement. Maybe later on we will have a push to the downside. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm pretty much done on the day. Honestly, today was a good price action. It's been a while since we had this. I would consider it's the A+ day. It's just poor execution on my end. I was right about the direction, but wrong about execution. At the end of the day, what matters is how did you execute. You could be wrong about your bias and still make money, and vice versa. You could be wrong on the bias and still make money. So in this case, I was correct about the bias on the downside, but I was pretty much wrong about my execution. It was a bad execution from my end. But yeah, it was a good day. Hopefully we get continued movement like this and be able to capitalize on my 20 account in the future. But yeah, this price action has been amazing. I think we will continue to go down this week, possibly to this low and even in this low. So yeah, we'll see what the price action is going to happen. Yeah, we'll see. I'm happy to trade the downside again tomorrow. But yeah, so far that is the price action or the movement. As far as the 5 minute time frame of the ES, it gave a nice entry in here on this 5 minute FVG. Same with the Nasdaq, we have a displacement. The good thing is we had the news event at 8:30 as well, and then we reverse at 9:30. And this is the same gap from NQ, right? This is the same gap. This is the same drawn liquidity. Maybe if I saw this 5 minute, I would have been able to take a short in here, but I did place a sell in here at the 930 for value gap, but it was never really got revisited, which was unfortunate. And yeah, that's basically the recap for today. Just 0-1 took a loss for a base hit, minus $200. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hope you are green today. Peace.